Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn words with consonant blends. SL. When we add two or more consonants, it creates a blend. Let's read the words that begin or end with the consonant blend SL. Now see, which is this picture? Yes, this is a slide. You all playing on slide now? Okay, let's repeat with me spelling of slide. SL slide, IDE slide. SL slide, IDE slide. Now see, which picture is this? Yes, this is a slate. Yes, let's repeat with me. Spelling of slate. SL slur, ATE slate. SL slur, ATE slate. SL slur, ATE slate. Now see, which is this picture? Yes, one girl is sleeping on the bed. Yes, this is called sleep. Let's repeat with me spelling of sleep. SLEEP sleep. SL slur EEP sleep. SL slur EEP sleep. Now see, which is this next picture? Yes, tortoise. You know, tortoise is walking very slowly. That's why I use words slow here. Let's repeat with me spellings of slow. SL slow, OW slow. SL slow, OW slow. Let's see this picture. Yes, this is a slice of yummy cake. Let's learn spelling with me. Slice. SL slur, ICE slice. SL slur, ICE slice. SL slur, ICE slice. Okay, I hope you all understand this lesson. Okay, learn and by heart these spellings also.